Hello, food lovers! If you've never been here before, welcome. My name is Anna, and today I will show you how you can make the most amazing Turkish cookies. Kavala or Edirne almond cookies, they are called. They are absolutely delicious and melt in your mouth soft. The ingredients are common, but the technique is a little different. We'll need some almonds and flour for the first step. And later on some more flour, room temperature butter, powdered sugar, salt, and baking powder, and some mild oil. We'll begin by chopping the almonds in a food processor. We want to have some small pieces and some bigger pieces too. The food processor makes this step fast and easy. They were a little too big here, so I went ahead and processed them for a few more seconds. You can chop them with a knife too if you don't have a food processor. Now they're perfect. Don't forget that you can find the exact measurements in the description box of each of my videos. Next, we will add the flour for the first step and the almonds to a skillet. As you can see, I had some help making these cookies. My daughter was anxious to have them ready, so she decided to help. I am stirring though. We need to toast the flour and almonds, stirring often until the flour starts changing color and becoming brownish and smelling nice. This is what gives these cookies their distinct aroma, so don't skip this step. Keep an eye on them because the flour can easily burn. Notice how the flour turned already brown. They are ready. We need to let this mixture cool down completely before proceeding to the next step. If they are still warm, our butter will melt and we don't want that. You can do this step even a day in advance or the night before. Now we add almond mixture, baking powder, salt, powdered sugar, and the remaining flour to a big bowl. And we give everything a whisk. This is a great project to do with your kids. They're easy to make, fast, and everyone will love them. We then add the oil, which should be mild in flavor, such as vegetable, canola, sunflower. Do not use olive oil for this recipe. And the room temperature butter. We start kneading everything until we get a smooth, soft dough that doesn't stick to our hands. We don't want to over-knead it or the cookies might turn hard. We don't want to develop the gluten in the flour. See how nice that dough is? It's not sticky at all and it feels very pliable. We then cover the bowl and put the dough in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up a little. Now it is time to shape them. We flour the work surface a little bit and take a piece of the dough. We make it into a long rectangle that is about an inch thick. Now it is time to start cutting them into their crescent shape. The dough is so pliable that you can shape them a little more before putting them on your pan. You can also cut them with a small glass and achieve the same result. The leftover dough you have, just put it back into the bowl and use it afterwards. We keep doing this until we finish all the dough. Here is a close-up of that shaping. We bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until slightly golden. We allow them to cool completely on the pan before trying to transfer them, as they will be very soft and crumbly when hot. We sprinkle them with powdered sugar and enjoy with a nice cup of tea or coffee. They will keep well for a very long time in an airtight container at room temperature. They are so delicate and yet they pack so much flavor. Will you give them a try? Thank you for being here today. And please don't hesitate to share, like and subscribe my videos if you appreciate them. That makes me so happy. Bye!